Good evening to everyone out there on this Friday night. I am Tamala Moore coming to you with my reflection on how my values and purpose intersect with the philosophical questionnaire that I had to complete this week. This is for the assignment 1.2 of EDOL 700. Okay, let's begin. The top 5 things that I value in life are salvation, wisdom, peace, integrity, and forgiveness. And as I reflect on my scores from the philosophical orientation questionnaire, my highest marks were received in the human philosophy or the human factor. I believe in contributing to the lives of others, and when someone has left my presence, I want them to depart with the residue of their life really matters. And because I help them to see their greatness, we can have life to enjoy together. I just want people to enjoy life, live it to the full, and remember that each day can become better than the day before. So overall, my values reflect who I am, and I understand that it is a wonderful thing to care about people.